Welcome to this comparison video on bike lube and degreaser. As a cyclist, keeping your bike in good condition is essential for a smooth and safe ride. This is where bike lube and degreaser come into play. In this video, we'll compare the two products and discuss their benefits and drawbacks. Now, let's dive into the depths of this video. Bike lube is a lubricant that is applied to the moving parts of your bike. It helps to reduce friction and wear, extending the life of your bike's components. There are various types of bike lube, including dry lube, wet lube, and ceramic lube. Dry lube is a thin, wax-like lubricant that works well in dry conditions. It repels dust and dirt, which can help keep your bike cleaner for longer. Wet lube is a thicker lubricant that works well in wet conditions. It's designed to stay on your bike's components even in the rain to prevent rust and corrosion. Ceramic lube is a newer type of lube that contains tiny ceramic particles. These particles help to reduce friction and wear, making it ideal for high-performance cycling. Degreaser is a cleaning product that is designed to remove dirt, grime, and oil from your bike's components. It's important to clean your bike regularly as the buildup of dirt and grime can cause your bike to function poorly. Degreasers are available in various forms, including sprays, foams, and liquids. Degreasers are typically used to clean your bike's chain, cassette, and derailleur. These are the parts of your bike that are most exposed to dirt and grime. Cleaning them regularly with a degreaser can help extend their lifespan and keep your bike running smoothly. One of the main benefits of bike lube is that it helps to reduce friction and wear. This can extend the lifespan of your bike's components, saving you money in the long run. Additionally, bike lube can help your bike to run more smoothly, making your ride more enjoyable. However, one drawback of bike lube is that it can attract dirt and dust, which can cause your bike to get dirty quickly. Additionally, some types of bike lube can be messy to apply and can require frequent reapplication. One of the main benefits of degreaser is that it can help keep your bike clean and functioning properly. Regular use of a degreaser can help extend the lifespan of your bike's components and prevent rust and corrosion. Additionally, using a degreaser can make it easier to clean your bike overall. However, one drawback of degreaser is that it can be harsh on your bike's components if used improperly. It's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions when using a degreaser and to avoid getting it on sensitive parts of your bike, such as your brake pads. Using bike lube is relatively straightforward. Simply apply a small amount of lube to your bike's moving parts such as the chain, derailleur, and cassette. Be sure to use the correct type of lube for the conditions you'll be riding in. After applying the lube, wipe off any excess with a clean rag. Using degreaser requires a bit more care. Start by applying the degreaser to your bike's chain, cassette, and derailleur. Let it sit for a few minutes to allow the degreaser to break down any dirt and grime. Then, use a stiff bristled brush to scrub the parts clean. Be sure to avoid getting degreaser on sensitive parts of your bike, such as your brake pads. Finally, rinse the parts thoroughly with water and let them dry before applying bike lube. Bike lube and degreaser are both essential products for maintaining your bike. Bike lube helps to reduce friction and wear, while degreaser helps to keep your bike clean and functioning properly. While using these products, it's important to use the correct type of lube for the conditions you will be riding in and to follow the manufacturer's instructions when using degreaser. By using bike lube and degreaser regularly, you can help extend the lifespan of your bike's components and enjoy a smoother, safe ride. We are almost wrapping up. These are the common differences between these two. Hope you like this video. Please comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos.